When we talk about stars, we're referring to celestial objects made of hot gases that produce light and energy through nuclear reactions at their cores. Stars are also one of the fundamental components of the universe and play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies, including our own Milky Way, where we live today. In the universe, there are many different types of stars with unique characteristics, including main sequence stars like our Sun, giant stars, neutron stars, and white dwarfs. But aside from all of that, perhaps the most fascinating aspect of stars is their size. The Sun, as the center of our solar system, already gives us an idea of just how massive a star can be, something we can directly observe and feel the effects of. Yet, out there in space, there are countless stars far larger than our Sun. So, what are some of these massive stars? Let's take a look. The first one is probably the most familiar to us, and it has drawn significant attention from astronomers because it's nearing the end of its life and is expected to eventually explode as a supernova. This star is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant located in the constellation Orion. In addition to its enormous size, Betelgeuse is one of the brightest stars in the night sky and is known for its varying apparent magnitude. Compared to the Sun, Betelgeuse has an astonishing radius, estimated to be between 700 and 1,000 times larger. It's also far more massive, with a mass about 10 to 20 times that of the Sun. The second star is Antares, another red supergiant, located in the constellation Scorpius. This is one of the brightest and most prominent stars in the night sky, instantly recognizable because of its striking red color. Antares lies about 550 light years away from Earth and has a radius around 700 times larger than the Sun, almost the same as Betelgeuse. But if you compare it directly to our Sun, the Sun is practically insignificant next to Antares. Next is another star famous for its colossal size, UY Scuti. Located about 9,500 light years from Earth, UY Scuti is often considered the largest known star by physical size. However, when it comes to mass, it's relatively moderate, with only about 7 to 10 times the mass of the Sun. Its radius, however, is about 1,700 times larger than that of the Sun, making it nearly 8 astronomical units across, roughly 1.2 billion kilometers. To put it into perspective, it takes over 1 million Earths to fit inside the Sun, but it would take about 5 billion suns to fill a sphere the size of UY Scuti. That gives you an idea of just how massive this star really is. But is UY Scuti the largest star out there? The answer is that there are still other candidates. One of them is Stephenson 2-18, which currently holds the record as the largest known star in the universe, with a radius about 2,150 times greater than the Sun's. This red supergiant lies in the constellation Scutum, about 19,000 light-years from Earth. However, its distance measurement is still uncertain, and future studies could significantly change our estimate of its size. Another contender is NML Cygni, located roughly 5,300 light-years away. It has an estimated radius somewhere between 1,183 and 2,770 times larger than the Sun. But according to recent studies, NML Cygni is an unusual red supergiant, enshrouded in a thick nebula and obscured by dust. This makes it extremely difficult for astronomers to determine its exact size and confirm whether it's truly among the largest stars. There's also a H-G64, another red supergiant located in the Large Magellanic Cloud about 160,000 light-years from Earth. Astronomers estimate its radius to be about 1,540 times larger than the Sun, making it one of the largest stars within the Magellanic Clouds. Now, all of the stars I've mentioned so far are judged mostly by size, but when it comes to mass, most of them are actually not as extreme. So, what is the most massive star in the universe? Currently, the top contender is Westerhout 49 2, with an estimated mass of about 250 times that of the Sun. This star is located roughly 36,200 light years away in the constellation Aquila. Westerhout 49 2 also shines with a luminosity about 4 million times greater than the Sun, with surface temperatures reaching up to 35,226 degrees Celsius. However, it's important to note that this star is part of a binary system, so its estimated mass might actually be a combined figure for both stars in the system. In second place among the most massive stars is BAT 99 98, located about 165,000 light years away in the Large Magellanic Cloud near the R136 star cluster. This Wolf-Rayet star has an estimated mass of about 226 times that of the Sun and is about 5 million times more luminous. Its surface temperature is thought to reach around 44,726 degrees Celsius. Finally, another star often included in the list of the most massive is R13601, also located in the Large Magellanic Cloud about 163,000 light-years away. R13601 is also a Wolf-Rayet star, with a mass estimated between 170 and 230 times that of the Sun. Its surface temperature may reach up to 55,538 degrees Celsius, and it's nearly 5 million times brighter than our Sun. So those are some of the largest and most massive stars that astronomers have discovered so far. Of course, the universe is vast, and there may still be many more stars out there waiting to be found, some of which could replace the ones currently at the top of these lists. While humanity has already uncovered a great deal about the universe, there is still so much left unknown. In the end, everything could change. It's just a matter of time.